Hello, my CP English 3 students. So today you are continuing your work with the final essay checklist as well as the writing reflection that you should do once you are finished with your essay. So this is a 4-paragraph essay. I mean, in theory, this could have been assigned in a single class period, although the detail that I'm expecting you to kind of pay attention to is significantly more than a response you might do at the end of a test or something like that. That essay checklist, you're going to put either an X or some kind of marking to indicate that you kind of went through that systematically. You're going to add a doc to the posting yesterday on Tuesday. This says it's due Wednesday, in which you will reflect on just the writing process in general. Now, the essay itself must be uploaded to turnitin.com. Okay, we practiced that with the summer reading assessment. You're going to do the same thing. There is a place for you to do that on each and every class period. I have it set up. You guys are on different accounts each class period. So make sure that's how I'm grading your essay. I'm not grading it in Google Classroom. So it has to be in turnitin.com for me to see that it's completed on time. And it should be completed by 3 o'clock today. Now, if you have fallen behind because you didn't keep up with those daily kind of tasks, it does catch up with you at this point in the game. If you recall, last Wednesday, I wrote the introduction with you via video, and I said you could copy it as is. Depending on your cohort, either Thursday or Friday, you got a video with a kind of a checklist of guidance for the body paragraph, the first one. Monday's assignment was for you to draft the second body paragraph and the conclusion, and I attached a document that gave you a checklist for that. And then yesterday, Tuesday, the task was to start what we're still doing now, which is a final essay checklist, as well as a reflection on the writing process. If you're late with the writing reflection, I can get you, you can have a little bit more time to get that done. You can, in fact, I can say, it's excused to a Friday even with no late points. The essay is your top priority. If you look at the breakdown for the posting that I gave on Tuesday, the essay is worth 100 points and it will get 10% will be deducted per day late. You can reach out to me with questions this afternoon. I can't, regrettably, I'm on this final day before the essays due, I'm unable to do a one-on-one session with every single student. However, hopefully this experience with this first formal writing that we're doing together prompts you to kind of ask those questions as you're going along. If you're struggling, I gave feedback to anybody that asked me for it, and I put that out there for you to do that for me, or do that with me, to reach out to me via email. I provided that for you. Junior year is about taking ownership, and I want to encourage you to do that while at the same time not just leave you out to dry. So it's finding that balance for me as a teacher, and for you as well as a student. Okay, what can I actually get done, and what do I need to do if I'm not very confident that I'm on the right track? You'll find at the college level, it's kind of like here you go, and you submit that final product, and that's really not that far away from you guys at this point. There will not be a test on the Exile poems. I had mentioned thinking about that. It's not going to happen. I'm just going to do one unit test on the Anglo-Saxon period after we finish Beowulf, which we will start work with on the second part of this week. You're going to bring your vocab books to class if you are in person on Thursday or Friday. I have cohort B people. I still have your books if you're in period 3 or 6. So you'll be like, I don't know where my book is. I have it. So yeah, reach out to me with questions today. I am booked from like 9 to 12, but after that, I am going to be in the building grading, which I'm still incredibly behind on, and we'll go from there. Okay, bye-bye.